that can you create an object from which no information comes out? Like, is it that still boggles mind to think, right? That universe would create such things.
Black holes are the most powerful and extreme things in the universe, and they are widely weird and complicated. So, to understand complex concepts of black holes and gravitational waves, renowned astrophysicist Karan Jani explained these concepts in an exclusive interview with PBNS. He has been working on black holes, gravitational waves, and Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity. He was also the part of the LIGO team which detected the historical gravitational wave on 14th of September 2015, a major breakthrough in Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity. He has also published a paper on detectability of intermediate mass black holes.
There's a lot of concepts here to digest, right? I mean, one is itself, what does a black hole mean in terms of, mathematically, but also whether the universe knows the ways to make it. And there always remained this wide uncertainty that can you create an object from which no information comes out? Like, is it that still boggles mind to think, right? That universe would create such things. And not only that, the black holes have a particular thing which we call singularity, where all known laws of science breaks down. So this is a very sort of abstract concept, and the fact that the universe even exhibits that in reality itself shows, how um, that shows two things: one, how complex the universe is, but B, how far we as a race have come to even actually be able to comprehend all of this thing, right? So that is by itself, mathematically, it's very beautiful. It comes very naturally from what we call Einstein's general theory of relativity. And we knew for about 100 years, all these things.
On 14th of September 2015, the first gravitational wave was detected, and it was about a 1/5 of a second. Karan Jani elaborated the gravitational wave and explained how they are different from any other wave.
Now, gravitational waves is something which is close to, say, equivalent of what light is for what we call photons, right? So electromagnetic signal. So if you have charged particles, when they move, they create signal. That's why I can see you right now. That's why you can receive phone signals. That's how you can, all practically every modern day application is based on, the fact that electromagnetic signal goes from one place to another. So gravitational waves was something which does not come from from particles, and we had long known about them theoretically. I was working on it since almost 2008. So we knew that the universe has a way to make gravitational waves. This is very tricky to understand because these are not like waves that are around us.
So not simple ways that we can detect. Just
Yeah, it's not simple waves. It's not like sound waves. They are not like electromagnetic waves. They are not like earthquakes, so, or the waves that we see on water. These waves literally come and stretch the entire earth.
The discovery of gravitational wave was remarkable for humankind, and Karan Jani described how black holes and gravitational waves are the geometrical concepts of the universe.
So it took a long experimental, generations of work. And then finally in 2015, LIGO made the discovery of gravitational waves. And there was even a bigger icing on cake because it came from black holes. And so it also made the first direct confirmation of black holes. It also gave a confirmation of gravitational waves. And when you combine the whole thing, it is remarkably consistent with Einstein's equations, how he predicted the nature of space and time to be. Because black holes and gravitational waves both are really geometrical concepts of the universe. Right? There's nothing else that is needed to describe.
There was a surprising element in the detection of the gravitational wave, which Karan further elaborated.
But within that 1/5, the morphology, because once you get trained with looking at, how the universe is, how collisions of two black holes create a signal, it looked very much like this. So it was evident looking at the signal, but more surprising tha ki the black holes were too big. In fact, it was so during my PhD thesis, I was trying to hunt for black holes which are pretty big. They are
Interprets
not. Yeah, so we had never seen black holes so big before. I mean, either we see them very big at the centers of galaxies, or we see them
Yes, sir.
about few times bigger than our sun. But this was about the final black hole formed from collision was about 60 times greater than our sun, and that was just mind blowing. Fact that it can happen.
Yes.
Now we finally knew we can go beyond using telescopes, like regular telescopes and observatories from which we were observing the universe all this last, at least 50, 60 saal se, right? I mean, now we
Yes,
can
sir.
finally go beyond that.
The detection was made through LIGO, and the observatory is one of its kind that humankind has ever built in its existence. To know more about the LIGO and how it helped the detection of gravitational wave, do watch the second part of the interview.